Hey guys, so I did pick my package and it arrived, and I want to unbox it with you. Not Charlie. I want to unbox it with you, and yeah. So I did forget to unbox this one. I got this also from the Black Friday deals. Tissue mask, sheet mask. It's charcoal, yeah, from Garnier. And now I want to unbox this one with you. So only these two. I got it from Fit Me, Maybelline. Yeah. So this is the primer. Oh my god. Yeah, so this how it looks. Focus. Yeah. You know my nails. They're long overdue for a new set of nails. Yeah, so this how it looks. I got it because I know it matches my skin, because my skin is really oily, especially my face, so it's normal to oily. Yeah, and also this setting spray from Fit Me, Maybelline, also normal to oily. Yeah, so these are the two things that I got, and this one. The rest of the things I'll get later. Yeah, so that's all for this haul. Hey guys, I know I look crusty and all, but hey, welcome back to this channel, and thank you so much for tuning in for yet another video. So yeah, today I've been indoors, actually much in my bed, because I have an off week. Yeah, and yeah, my graduation is much approaching, only 2 days remaining to my graduation. Yeah, so I know by the time you'll be watching this video I would have already graduated, so I'll be a graduate. Yeah, so now I'm watching her latest vlog while she's in Cape Town, and it's 2:23. Oh my god, been watching vlogs since morning, and I can't believe now it's 2. I need to watch this vlog as the last one, then get up and do something. Yeah, so today I'm pretty much excited because I made a purchase. I made a big purchase, and the only person who knew about this was my brother, because we've been talking a lot about me getting this, and finally today I did it. I can't wait for it to be shipped on Saturday, and then I'll show you guys what I really got. So yeah, let me finish with this vlog, then talk to you guys later. Okay, so my mattress just got delivered. So this is what I was telling you guys about. This is my biggest investment this year, and I'm very grateful that I was able to purchase it. Yeah, so it's a 5x6. Yeah, it's Dr. Mattress Pasha XF 25, I guess you can see it clearly. Yeah, it still has my name tag. I have not removed it yet. Yeah, so that's it for the mattress. So I want to remove the paper and place it down, because right now the bed that was here was a 3 by 6 and it was smaller, and this mattress is a 5 by 6. Hey guys, so I'm really happy about this. I know the only thing remaining is the bed to get here. Yeah, and also at least now I can say I'm ready to move out, because I did not have the mattress, because I remember when I was done with school, I did get rid of the mattress that I did have. So yeah, right now I'm happy with the progress. I want to do now what I'll do next is just house hunting and move out. I'm ready to venture and into living alone again. Yeah, so let me put down the mattress and talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I've laid down the mattress. Actually, it has occupied much space than I thought. Wow. Wow. So yeah. So hi guys. Okay, so about the mattress, I did get it from Dr. Mattress. Actually, I did settle for it last minute, because I thought I was going to buy Moko or Maharaj, because I was looking up for mattresses to buy until I settled for this one, because I did want something that is long time, that will last me for long, because I do not want to change up my mattress again. I'm the type of person that I want to buy something and I'm done with it. And then nikitaka kununua kitu, si ati lazima ati I will replace it next time. No, I want to buy it and it's nimalizane tu na hiyo story kabisa. So yeah, that's why I didn't settle for Dr. Mattress. And actually I was so much influenced by Beyond Being Laura, because I remember there was a time in her stories she did talk about mattresses and once you should settle for, if you are looking for something that will serve you for a long time. Yeah, so that's why I did settle for this one. Now I'm waiting for the bed. God, I know it will take a while, but I can't wait for the bed to get here. So I did go to Dubois and then pass by town, because I had errands to run. The mattress got here and was not around, so my brother was the one who received the delivery for me. So when I got to town, I went to receive this. I don't know if it can be seen here. God, lighting. It's a mounted piece for my graduation, a picture. Kind, yes, of my graduation. Just a photo. Yeah, I'll show you a clear picture of it. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, that's much clearer. That's it. I went and picked this one. So from town I did pass by Dubois and got some few stuff. I got this bath gloves. This is how they look. The lighting is too much. Let me reduce the lighting. I got this bath gloves. The next thing we got is this dera. I love how cute it looks. I've not worn it yet. Yeah, I got this dera and this pulley for my brows. Today I don't know where to. Yeah, pulley for my brows. Then concealer. Then it's Huda Beauty. Yeah, I do want to start on makeup, but I'll do it maybe early next year. Yeah, but not throw away all the makeups that I did have. So I'm getting a new ones. Yeah, I don't still have the whole of it, the package that one needs for a beginner. So yeah, those are the things that I did get from Dubois, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I know this vlog has been dragging itself because I did start it like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. Unadu? I did start it like 2 weeks ago. So acha kufanya hivyo. Ngoja nimalize saa. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.